Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the audio file that contains the Amitabh Bachchan voice. This matters because quality dictates what you can remove. Open the file in your editor, set the project sample rate to 44, 1 or 48 kHz, and save a working copy. Once done, use a short selection of the target voice and generate a spectral view. This lets you see frequency patterns. Make sure to label the region and export a small example clip to test filters without risking the original. Now you focus on isolating the voice's frequency footprint. Listen while watching the spectrogram and identify persistent formants and harmonic bands that match the voice. Once identified, apply narrow notch filters, one at a time, to attenuate those bands and use a mild high pass or low pass to reduce overlap. Then create a noise profile from the isolated voice sample and run a targeted reduction with moderate strength. Keep iterations small and preview repeatedly so other sounds stay intact. Finish by rendering a test file at the original sample rate and listen critically in headphones. Check for artifacts and intelligibility loss. If you hear warbling or musical noise, undo the strongest filters, reduce reduction percentages, and swap sharp notches for smoother EQ curves. Once satisfied, render the final version and keep backups. Troubleshooting tip: if the voice remains prominent, use dialogue isolation tools or consult a restoration service. Re-recording the clean prompt is often the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.